today is the 29th of July 2021. We have Kivivuorenkuja. Sitten basically the two staircases I and S is the last staircase in this residential building that has an elevator. There are only 3 staircases here that have elevators, and we have also yet to get to the staircase H here. The serial number is VS2629 and was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1972, turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022. It's going to be inspected next year, 2021. And the stage 3 per 2.4 grams. Let's try it. To the ground floor.
Piippaakin väistyttää, että meidän temppaa Schindler.
Yeah. Mask back. This olive green color here.
Yes, I
Let's go to the last staircase and it's residential building, staircase H.
That's